Hong Kong Consensus 2025 officially started today. Let me take you around. Follow me.
Consensus Hong Kong 2025 was a sold-out event, setting the stage for interesting conversations in blockchain and Web3. This year, the spotlight was on AI-driven innovations and real-world asset tokenization, reshaping the future of DeFi. As a proud sponsor, Audley showcased its Omnichain liquidity solution, empowering developers to innovate and drive the next generation of DeFi, with our co-founder, Ran, taking the stage.
Orderly aims to allow anyone to trade anything from anywhere. And what that means is in a chain abstracted experience where we have an Omnichain Permissionless order book that sits on top of currently 10 chains, including EVMs and Solana.
Aaron, you describe your service orderly as some kind of sub-layer below the apps for perps trading. How did you build the infrastructure to essentially accommodate all these different front ends that are your customers?
So we have our own chain called the Orderly chain that's built using OP Stack, but we were using Conduit as the operator for it. But the chain is not something where we invite others to build on it yet. It's more just as the settlement layer because our sequencing is still centralized. And then post trades, it settles on our chain. What I described, the Orderly chain built using OP Stack and is using Celestia for data availability, and how it connects to each other chain, which hold our custody vaults. That's where users deposit and withdraw assets. Simple custody smart contracts on the chains that we're deployed on, including Solana. And they're all linked together by layer 0's cross-chain messaging. So when a user deposits in our vault, that message gets sent via layer 0 to our chain that records that information. The user's trading in it settles on our chain. And when they want to withdraw, let's say from Arbitrum, another message goes from layer 0 to our vault in Arbitrum, which they withdraw. So it's set up in such a way, and essentially we try to replace like a centralized exchange setup by using our chain that just does the settlements, and then cross-chain messaging via layer 0. And by having native integrations with the chains, we are able to kind of keep the TVL on the source chains. Like if we were to work with Linea, the users would deposit and withdraw from your chain. It's not trying to attract assets to our chain. And as we go multi-collateral, we can accommodate a lot more native assets to be used as collateral for perps.
And just like that, Hong Kong Consensus is over, finished, and myself and the Audley team is extremely excited to have all of you guys there. We had a great time, we made some good connections, and hope to see all of you guys again soon at the next event. Make sure you follow Audley on X and hit that notification bell, because we're going to be posting some interesting and exciting projects coming up 2025. And as always, happy trading and make some money.